Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I am kayaking. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to give $1,000 away again today for Christmas, 11 days till Christmas, which is beautiful. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas with your family and friends. If you're rich because you've been following me, spread the joy. Give 10% of everything you make. Give it away to people around you, directly around you. So your friends, family, people you meet on the street. If someone you see they can't afford something, pay for it. I've made many millionaires, and the main thing I want you to do is pass on this knowledge, pass on this giving, pass on this helping people. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. Uniswap was Unity, the stock which I bought a few months ago, is up 8% today, which is huge for stocks to move 8%. It's because you can put a lot more capital than just normal, the smaller cryptocurrencies, because Unity is valued in the billions. Tesla up 5%, which for me was huge because Tesla is one of my biggest holdings. And we bought if you remember that video, we sold up here and then sold on the third wave peak, bought down on the fourth wave, and now it's pumping. So that's compounded a lot. Altcoins up a lot. Solana 7%, WorldCoin up 5%. I bought 10,000 of it yesterday. That's paying out. MCRT up 3.6%, FXS 3%. All of these are my cryptocurrencies that I hold and stocks that I hold or invested in or early invested in. Doge is up 2%. Bitcoin is up 0.4%. Amazing gains again going into Christmas, 43,000. This is on the Fed announcement, because what they said they're going to not increase rates anymore. Not just that, they said they're going to start decreasing rates. So they flooded the market with money. They pumped the whole world with money when COVID happened, so everyone got locked into their homes. And now then they had massive overinflation. Everything was too cheap for everyone. Everyone's buying everything. Too expensive for a lot of people. And the wealthy got a lot more money and they can just afford everything. And this too expensive items, petrol, this is inflation. And it's gone up a lot because they printed so much money because they had to keep everyone locked in their homes. Then they increased the rates. Why? Because then it costs a lot more money for you to borrow money. So before they increased the rates, you could borrow money for almost nothing. Buy houses, buy stocks, cryptocurrencies. People were borrowing money left, right, and center. When they increase the rates, it costs more for you to borrow money. It costs more for the banks to borrow money. Home loans get more expensive. So it costs. They slow down the amount of money that's being pumped into the market. And what they've increased the rates massively this year to pump inflation, and the stock markets and the crypto markets are still at billions at massive highs. This crypto market's at 1.5 trillion. The stock market's all-time highs. So even though they've increased interest rates, they've tried to calm down inflation, they're trying to calm down the prices. There's still so much money in the markets, but they have to decrease rates, because at the same time they increase rates to slow the money supply. They've also made houses too unaffordable for everyone. No one can get loans on houses. So house sales have dropped completely. So because of that, they have to start increasing the rates. So that's what they said they're going to do next year, which makes money cheaper, which pump the markets. So now we're in very kind of bullish markets. On Bitcoin, I see a huge bull flag. This one's a big bull flag with volume coming in. So I still think Bitcoin, I'm most bullish on Bitcoin, Tesla. Those are my two favorites. If you've been following me the entire time of my career, or if you've been following me for 12 years since Twitter and posts, 4 years of these videos, you know that my favorite things that I was buying was Bitcoin mining in 2000 early, and Tesla buying at 2014, 2015, which was my favorite kind of holds, and they still are. So Bitcoin, I think it's finished this first to second wave correction, a very quick correction with a lot of volume, and volume still increasing. 200 moving average is heading up, so it's coming close to the 200 moving average now. So the price is not so overinflated anymore, actually. Bull flag I'm seeing, so my target second to third wave is this 60K target. 54K though is a massive resistance that we would have to get through. It's like it'll take a long time look at that. Actually, here it would take a long time. See this head and shoulders that we had back in 2021? 53,000 will take a long time to get through. A little bit earlier. 52, but I think it'll be a pump. But look at the first to second wave. That should have taken a very long time, and we just smashed through it. We smashed through all this resistance back in 2021 to 2022. Okay, this video because I've got to give away the giveaway weekly. We're looking like a hammer candle, inverse hammer, which is a very bullish candle, bull flag. inverse hammer candles all over the place. Learn what they are in the crypto course and the stock room master course. I would long this. It means, in my opinion, Bitcoin is very bullish. We could have a scam week down or something down to just reset, liquidate a lot of people, but I think we're going to move up very quickly. So in my opinion, because look at the volume, everyone, volume predicts price. This is the volume down here. As I teach you, volume predicts price. When there's volume coming, when people are buying and selling and everyone's talking about it, which is not, everyone isn't talking about it yet as well, which is interesting. The crypto people, everyone's talking about it, but the retail no coiners, people used to call them normies, they used to call them, they're not yet talking about it. They're a little bit interested, but they're not really starting to buy heavy yet. Whoa, many fish just came past the canoe. Okay, I gotta be quick because I'm just sitting with the dog in a... Okay, this is the trade I would take. Calm down. No, it's okay. Sit. She saw some fish. Sit. It's okay. Okay. I'll show you what she saw some fish and then... Okay. That's the trade. 40,734. Stop loss 39,968. But to be honest, I would try to not be liquidate out of this, because this could be a really big move. And then taking it all the way to 60k. Second to third wave is always the biggest impulse wave. Risk to reward 19 times, risking $1,000 to make 19,400 per Bitcoin. This will be almost a... What percentage is that? I can check here. 48% move. My Bitcoin trade is now up. Guys, there's a $1,000 giveaway right now, everyone. This is the giveaway. Scan the QR code. And is there a code? And it's now active. This is the giveaway. This is the code. So this is the passcode. It's $1,000. I gave away $3,000 already this month, which is beautiful. $4,000. This is $4,000 now, which is cool. For Christmas, another dog is joining me on the boat. Ow. Okay. I have like 6 dogs. They follow me around everywhere. Okay, these are the prizes given away. Yesterday, 85 of the 100 was claimed. So not everyone claimed that. That was for new people. This one can be claimed by anyone. So no requirements. I wanted to give new users only a chance, but now it can be claimed by anyone. So that was the code. This account, even with the giveaways, is reaching 500,000 again, 493k. My Bitcoin trade is 69,000 in the profits, 7 Bitcoin, $6,000 in fees now because I've been holding it for so long, and the funding rate. What we need to watch is the funding rate. The main thing we need to watch is the funding rate, which is up here. When it gets to 0.0, oh shit, it is 0.01. We're going to start thinking about getting out. 0.1 is when it was the top of the bull market, but 0.01 is already quite high. Can be a cool down, but I still think with this trade, this is the one I would take. In my opinion, we should have had a bigger first to second wave retracement. It's such a big move, but there's just buying volume constantly, and no one's talking about it in retail yet. But there is heavy resistance here. You can see heavy resistance here. So this first to second wave can take longer. Where we are right now, this is the biggest area of resistance. How fast we go through is going to tell us how amazing Bitcoin is going to do. This account on OKX is now 15k. I started a 10k challenge. I'm going to make this account from 10,000 to 1 million. Oh shit. Okay, I got to go, guys, because when you're sitting here in the canoe, water is slowly coming in. I've got position on Bitcoin, $5,200 in the profits. I bought $10,000 of wild yesterday. Oh, only 2,000 executed. Oh no, I bought... How much did I buy yesterday? Okay, I got to do it later. I'm going to buy more wild, the rest of it. This is the prize down below. $1,000 giveaway for Christmas. 12 days of Christmas. Going to share some of the gains. This year made massive money. The KSA in Quotasia dropped to 1 trillion into Bitcoin. World's largest oil company, Max Kaiser, is the one that got El Salvador to start adopting Bitcoin. Central banks can hold up to 2% of their reserves in crypto starting from the 1st of January 2025. I don't think people realize how big that news is. Crypto is going mainstream. All the links are down below. The course is here. Telegram is there. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing day. I gotta go. A lot of water, a lot of dogs. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Have an amazing year and Merry Christmas, everyone. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.